To go in the harbor. Let's watch as he dives in for airspeed. Again, this airplane not particularly designed with airshow demonstration on the cockpit. Right about here, he's going to choose a 45-degree downline. Roll the airplane upright in a maneuver we call the half Cuban 8. On this beautiful big yellow airplane as he arches back up into the sky. Again, he'll choose that 45-degree downline, roll the airplane upright, and complete a second half Cuban 8 turnaround. Roll in the harbor. Helicopter EC-120B, flown today by Grace Borsari. We're going to show you some general aviation and commercial type. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Of course, so can the helicopter. We're going to see Grace doing that here for us today. Now listen. Here he's performing for us the Pearl Necklace. A series of rolls on that 45-degree upline and then flips the airplane over on its nose. Brad Worston. To be able to perform these aerobatic maneuvers, we're looking at the bottom side of the airplane right now as he continues to climb and then very quickly reverses direction. There's a couple of snap rolls on the downline. Mr. Brad. Horsepower engine. One important quality of a competition-level aerobatic machine is it's got to be light. And this airplane weighs only 1,350 pounds. And as you can see, it has an incredible roll rate of 420 degrees per second. What an incredible airplane and what an incredible pilot. Look at this, folks. He calls that the Cyclone. You need an incredibly powerful airplane to be able to perform that. As he spins that airplane, look at the incredible roll rate of the Pitts S2S. There you have the double hammerhead, a very tricky maneuver to perform, folks. Twice, now flying upside down along the shoreline. Let's watch as he continues to snap roll the airplane on that upline and turns the maneuver into a torque roll. There he is hanging on the prop, turning off the smoke so we can watch him as he just hangs there for several seconds before he slips back down towards the ground, spinning the airplane as he goes. Right about here, he's looking to recover the maneuver, or from the maneuver, before he gets to the bottom of his aerobatic box for his performance today. He levels out. Now he continues to roll the airplane, going inside, outside. Calls this the rolling half loop. Shoving the stick forward as he puts the airplane over its nose. Yuichi Takagi in the pit special. Built in 1944, shortly before the end of World War II, this beautiful P-51 Mustang never left the United States before the end of the war. It actually has a local connection. It was transferred as part of a block of surplus fighters to Sea Island, Canada. That's now known as Vancouver, and a Method 7 performance and optics. Folks, what did you think of Vicky Benzing and Plum Crazy? What a great performance here today in a truly remarkable aircraft. There's 2 to inverted. Now 3 and 4. The 4-point hesitation rule. Commercial multi-IFR license implies the Navajo for a company he works for. He's also a licensed automotive mechanic, which complements the Long Easy as it is a home-built aircraft, and as such, Kyle performs all the maintenance himself.
Folks, let me know if this is fair enough. Are you ready, gang?
Are we ready, folks? Yep, they're cheering, Kyle. They're ready to go.
All right, let's hit it.
Here we go, folks. A snow show, air show style by Kyle Fowler